Here's another first-time home buyer question that I just got. What are the common hidden costs of owning a home? Owning a home can come with several hidden costs that can surprise first-time home buyers at first. For example, property taxes and homeowners insurance are reoccurring expenses that can increase over time. They very likely will go up. These should be included in your monthly payments, but they will increase over time. Another thing that first-time home buyers don't think about is maintenance and repairs, like fixing a roof or replacing appliances. Those things add up quickly. Make sure you budget every month for those expenses. A couple other things that's easy to forget: utilities, landscaping, HOA fees if you're in an HOA. Those items can stretch a budget. Don't forget closing costs during the purchase and potential upgrades that you make once you move in. You want it to make it feel like your own home. Furniture, painting, remodeling, new appliances, those kinds of costs make planning and budgeting essential when transitioning from renting to owning. Do you have any first-time home buyer questions you want answered? Message me.